Hi everyone, good morning. Finally guys, today is April 1 and April Fool. So supposedly April and May here is it's our summertime here. But then I don't know why is it always raining here the last few days. But maybe sooner the sun comes out. It's a little windy now guys, and yes. Starting already of a new month, and then we will make another video today, showering in the rain. So my son and I we're going to take a shower in the rain now. And my god, it's so cold here. Yeah, so this is really the province life here guys. Look at my face. You can enjoy the rain as long as you want, whenever you want. It's a little bit it's a little bit windy here guys. And Kobe is there. Yeah, we're going to take a shower now. And Kobe, where are you going? Where?
In the lake.
Let's go. Let's start to take a shower.
She is in. My gosh, it's so cold.
It's a moonlight na. Okay. Wala ko mo. Ha? Nagdala mo. Ikaw bang ito? Hindi ka rin. And Kobe's enjoying the water so much guys. So as you can see guys, that is my blanket. So I hang it there the other day, so it's not yet dry. Yeah, it's getting wet over and over again when it is raining. It's cold camp. Okay, it's my turn.
Hoy, matusok ka ma. Yaw.
Down.
Sige.
Down.
1, 2, 3, go! Dali. Sige. 1, 2, 3, go. Dali. Ano ba? Ano 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Ligo na!
Okay, last.
1, 2, 3, go! Isa pa.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go! Da! Wait,
Da.
wait.
No.
Hello, da.
Dito na mag-slide ko.
Wow,
done already, guys. So I transfer my blanket here because, you know, I put it there for how many days already, and instead of, you know, getting dry, it's getting wet over and over again because, yeah, it's always raining. And actually, guys, it's little fogging here now. There's some little fogs, and the rain, it stops for a while and then heavy rain again. So it's not really a good weather today. It's it's a rainy day starting of April, starting of new month. So I'm done already. Ken Kobe is there already inside. Yes, I will get inside now, guys. I'm a little bit cold. Okay, so I already changed my dress, and oh my god, we don't have electricity here, guys. That's why I'm using my power bank here. Yeah, so beside of the heavy rain, we don't have electricity here. So hopefully it will be back later. It's really not a good weather today. Yeah, so that's gonna be the end of today, guys. Yeah, so yeah, it is always raining, you know, but you know, rain is a big blessing. Yeah. So I'm gonna end this one, guys, and please guys, please do me a favor by subscribing to my channel. Please hit the notification bell button for you to get updated of my new upcoming vlogs. Thank you so much, everyone. I'll be seeing you in my next one. God bless everybody.